feels like to be in walking street for the first time. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So as you can see, we're walking down the street.
We're walking together with our van.
We're walking down the
We're
road.
so supportive.
Just arrived in Boom Boom City. So guys, we're walking down the road. I don't know where we're going. So we're looking for our house. Okay. See ya.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Guys, the weather is crazy.
It is.
Look at that.
crazy.
Welcome to my vlog. They're tired. Welcome to my vlog. Look at that. We're walking down the street. Look at that. Who's that girl I see staring straight? Ang nasaya po ng ginawa namin, nag-pictorial kami doon guys. So, ito po yung first vlog ko with these girls. Because our first trip together, we were at Wahin and I didn't video or didn't vlog. So, this is the first time for remembrance. This is the first and last vlog with them. My first and last vlog with them. So, I'll take this opportunity to have them. Alright guys, so we'll see you more later and tomorrow. Bye! So hi guys, ito po yung ano talaga namin, bakasyon. Bakasyon po talaga namin ganito, yung maghihintay ka na, you'll wait for like 3 hours or 4 hours so that we can check in, you know. So we'll just chill here.
This is the real life.
And we're so hungry.
Huh? Hungry ka?
Yeah, I'm hungry. So that's my friend. This is our first and last vlog together. Because I will
she's
change.
not sure.
No, because I will change friends. So this is the first and last that they will be in my vlog. Because next time, because you know, people come and go. So let's change people.
Oh, you're so funny.
Yeah, guys, we're watching fireworks in a while. We're here in Pattaya. It's like the weather is nice, but there's like a rain something, but it's good. So we're here in our hotel, and then we're just waiting for like 12 minutes more so we can check in. All right, guys.
Amir, so welcome to our house. Ang ganda po ng bahay. Ang lawak mga guys. O, diba? Saan pumunta yung 250 mo? O, may ano po kami dito. O, may pool. O, diba? Pool yourself.
So yun mga guys, ano bang nangyari sa mga mata namin guys? We just woke up. It's morning here. Like, it's morning for us because we took a nap and then we just woke up. So now, woke up like this. Just woke up like
Maybe.
we're waiting for the fireworks guys, and that's why we're here for the fireworks. When was the last time that we saw fireworks? That was New Year, right?
Yeah.
New Year.
Me, I saw fireworks in London.
Because she lives near at Icon Siam, so she always sees some fireworks there, like every weekend maybe. Yeah.
Oh,
But
here comes
for
the
us,
princess.
here comes the princess. Okay, we're going guys. We're going to catch the fireworks. It's already 5, so we're going. Oh, yeah. Let's songteo. Let's songteo, guys. Let's songteo. All right.
Dito tayo?
Grabe, ang daming tao. So crowded already. There's a lot of people waiting for the fireworks. It's crazy, guys. My eyes are crazy too. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to that kind of thing. But anyway, grabe ang daming tao! Guys, ang ganda po ng sunset kanina, guys. A lot of people are waiting for the fireworks. So we're having our dinner here. And yeah. Guys, just 1 minute fireworks starts. Oh my God! Fireworks!
Wala tayong
Hina pa rin signal, no?
Shots after, so we're done with watching fireworks. That's it. So what can you say? What's the rating of the fireworks? But the Philippines is the best, Char.
Belgium is the best for me.
No, Philippines with the music is the best.
I like the music of the Philippines.
Because we're proud. We're from Philippines, so that's it. So you guys, well, look at the people. People.
I'm a bit scared,
Like, where are they came from? There's a lot.
Incident,
A lot of people here. Look at that. Oh.
so scary.
People of the world. La 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 la. What it feels like to be in walking street for the first time. Hi vlog, it's good morning and we're going to church. Oh my god. We're wearing white for today's video, and this one is, there's always one friend in the group who's, has a different mind, even if you already talk about it like 3 years ago. But yeah, she chooses to be different, so I don't know if she's belong here or not, but anyway, she's our friend.
Story is waiting to us.
Okay, for today's video, we're going to Colorn, and it's their first time. It's their first time, so we're going there. Just take a picture, you know us girls. We always do that. that's our, that's the thing. So, but we're looking for a breakfast first because I'm hungry. Here, oh. Ito po yung mga pangarap namin, guys. Makapag, ang tawag nito? Kapit. Kapit. Saya.
One, two, three, come on!
Finally arrive in Colorn City. Just kidding. This is not what we expected. But we're here.
Kasama ko sa G2B.
Let's move around somewhere. Been here for like many times, but I don't know, look. maganda dun, fam. So, andito pala talaga tayo. We just came here, you know, to take a picture. You know us, so we're here. So, ito naman po tayo mga kaibigan. Welcome to my vlog again. It's showering here, and you know, every time we're somewhere out down the road and the universe, you know, TikTok is life, picture taking is life. We don't really actually like go to swim on a beach or do the sightseeing, you know. We just came here to TikTok and to take a picture. That's it. Oh no, I'm just kidding. I already swim a little bit, but they were still doing their thing, you know that? They're still, you know, so forget about them and let's just enjoy the view of this beautiful island, as beautiful as her, as me. Look at the water, it's very clear, crystal clear as you know, as the paper. By the way, my phone is not waterproof, so if it's, you know, comment down below for the sponsorship. Ship nationwide sponsor, okay? Guys!
Maligo na tayo!
Hoy, let's swim! Alright, just gonna, you know, swim down. Let's find some fish because there's fish here, and alright, see you later! Guys, they don't like they hate the sun. They're afraid to get dark. Sige, pagitna kayo. Pagitna kayo sa daan. O, kayo may-ari ng daan eh. Takot sa araw. So ayun mga guys, for today's vlog is over. Crazy things happen and we're going home. Alright, look at that. Oh, you cannot see it that way, but it's so nice. Sunset, so pretty here. We're going back home. We're waiting for the taxi. It's crazy here, but we're going home. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind.